Day starts. Good morning. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur and doing my journaling practice today. On the rooftop, it's almost 8 o'clock. Sun is at its peak. No sun gazing these days. Another 2 days. And I am on the other side of the corner of roof where I was yesterday. I was standing, and here this is facing the road, the side lanes, the main road, and above that, the uh, metro track is also there. Metro is also passing from here, so a lot of sound, background sounds you can listen. So the biggest drawback is on main road. If you are living and your house is on main road, you say that it is easily approachable. The drawbacks are that there is a sound pollution, noise pollution. From everywhere traffic is coming, trains are coming, vehicles are coming, and the honking, this is one reason. The hawkers are coming, they are shouting. Even the kabadis these days have started, stopped speaking. They have a audio system which is at high volume, and they are passing from the lanes like this. You have heard the horn. Then there is a hospital on the back where continuously ambulance sounds. Then there is a police barricade. So police vehicles also come and they create sound. So all through the day, all through the night, this sound pollution is the main cause if you are living on main road. And if you are living on the ground floor, then it is all the most difficult to tolerate that kind of noise. If an outsider comes, if a new person comes, for him him or her, it's a great problem. Secondly, the pollution of air. Air is also polluted here in Delhi, especially on the main road, the smokes of the vehicles. At the same time, the suspended particles, the dust, and lot of construction activity around the area. This is also causing a lot of pollution. So sound pollution is main thing, dust pollution is another thing, and then the water pollution. Water is also not very pure. Water is not of good quality. So water also is polluted. So everything you get here in this metro cities is pollution. Pollution is the main cause which you have to fight. You have to protect yourself. Air you breathe in has to be of good quality. Water you drink has to be of good quality. You have to protect your house, protect your place in such a way that sound pollution is reduced to minimum. And once you check all these pollution to a acceptable level, then your life is comfortable. Otherwise, you are inviting so many problems, health problems, and other problems also associated with the health. When health problem comes, it brings in the money problem automatically. You need to put in lot of money on treatment of those health issues. You need to put in lot of money on creating those insulations, providing you the safety from the pollution. Water pollution, you have to put in machines. Sound pollution, you have to insulate the house, and at the same time, the air pollution, you have to be in such a way that you get fresh air most of the times of the day. Some portion, because of the high rise building, the sun rays, you don't approach the sun easily, so you have to make special arrangements. So that's also is a area of concern. So once you come across health problems, it is associated with financial problems also. So for today, I'll talk and stop here only. We'll take one by one these problems. We have solutions. Solutions cannot be given just like that. You have to sit and discuss, sit and analyze the depth of the problem, and according to the intensity of the problem, you have to find out a solution based on the pocket, based on the money available, based on the other resources available. Some of them are the free resources like the sun rays I am getting now and the rooftop. Some of them are free resources, some of them are paid resources, some of them are abundantly available, some of them are the scarcity resources, like in corona time, even the oxygen you breathe in was also a problem. So you have to balance all those things, and as per the environment, as per the availability of the resources, you have to create way for those solutions and adopt those solutions, then monitor them to see that the solutions you have adopted are providing you the results, and once those results are available to you, then you can expand it, you can spread it to the masses for their benefits and the benefits of the society. This is what I wanted to say in this small message, with lot of noise, pollution, noise from the back where I am standing. And every time I am not standing here, it's only today I am standing, and yesterday I created a video from this location. I am GS Anand, I am a mechanical engineer. Now these stray dogs is another pollution, and on the road there is a dustbin, MCD dustbin, and along that the road there is a lot of digging has been done, some water pipeline has burst. So for the last so many days there is a obstruction on the road, and because of that there is a traffic obstruction. So smooth flow of traffic is not there, which is also resulting in lot of criminal activities are also taking place here. Once the residential area, this is the residential area, and where I am standing below that there is a commercial activity going on. So this illegal commercial activities happening in the residential areas also give birth to the criminal elements, criminal activities including the murders, dacoity, theft. People come in gangs, they take away, sometimes special gang comes and car tires are stolen, sometimes batteries are stolen, sometimes the vehicle itself is stolen, and you come across those kind of problems, then you have to run around the police stations to complain and follow up actions. Then once the vehicle is traced, then you have to go to court to get it released. So all these things are the issues which are related to metro cities. Some of the issues get resolved once you periodically go to hill stations where the quality of air is good, quality of water is good, and you can breathe in a healthy atmosphere. So these are some of the issues which are concerning the smooth and easy life, and you have to be very, very particular about as your health goes, as health is concerned, especially the senior citizens. They need to take care of their health, and at the same time they need to take care of their finances also judiciously, so that in the old days they don't run out of funds in case of emergency. So those things put together, I'll talk sometimes later on individual issues to address all the issues which I have discussed now. I am GS Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.